Good morning. We stayed in Jackson, Tennessee last night. It rained last night, and we've got a light going out. Blinky, blinky. We're going to stop by and get some special spirits for clients and friends as we head west. I mean, if you're going to get Chattanooga whiskey, get the 111 proof, right?
Exactly.
Old Smoky. Sugarland. Look at that. Tennessee Shine.
Firefly.
Who was it they used to make strawberry wine? Was it Sutter Home? Was that the thing in the 80s? I can't remember. Let me know. Well, we're on the road again, and it looks like there's rain ahead. Check out our shorts. Not the ones I'm wearing, but the ones that Paul is posting. Long, long highway. We really don't like taking the interstate, but when we head west, we'll take the interstate to get there, and then it's back roads for days. So make sure you check those videos out coming up soon. Is it possible to go to IKEA, pick up something quickly, and leave? We'll find out today. Have you ever listened to that album? The Hay album, Marvelous 3. I recommend it. It's from the 90s.
Going to IKEA.
On today's episode of Wine with Friends, since we're here for something specific, we got to try to find it.
We can shortcut to 11 and skip all of this.
We're taking a shortcut. Is that allowed? We found them.
Right by the door.
So when in doubt, ask someone that works here. Does that say Scoob? Look at that. We snuck around to the exit from the entrance.
Okay, credit card. Yes, ma'am. Okay.
We did it. We went to IKEA to pick up one thing, and it didn't take us 4 hours.
We did get 4.
We got 4 things.
We did get 4.
Now
Now
it's time to eat some Swedish meatballs.
Another one?
What?
So close, but so far away.
For 4. Look.
Wrist roll.
$14.99.
Oh, yeah. It took us longer to eat than it did to find what we came here for. That is absolutely amazing. Thank you, IKEA. See you next time. Paula said now that we have a place to hang wet clothes, it looks like home. There's the Bass Pro Shop Pyramid. We'll stop by that on the way back. Beale Street's down there somewhere. Welcome to Arkansas. There's the dried up Mississippi, or drying up Mississippi. It's been a long, dreary day. IKEA was fun, but it has been raining and drizzling. And it's odd, once you get to Arkansas, coming out of Chattanooga heading west, things start to flatten out a little bit. I think we'll hit a little bit of mountains when we go through the southern part of the Ozarks, but things are starting to get flat. All right, I think we're gonna fuel up for the evening and call it a night. Remember to like and subscribe to see more videos. Just wait till we get out west. That's going to be cool. Remember, you can go to IKEA too in a quick short visit if you need to. See you in the comments.